Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. I have a Mavic Air update, options and first image coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Without further ado, I got a couple of updates regarding the Mavic Air. Our friends over at Drone DJ reported today that there will be 3 different color options for the Mavic Air: black, white, and red. And I'm going to go ahead and drop that link in the description so you can check it out. Also, the first image of the Mavic Air, and here it is. What do you think? Looks like a smaller Mavic to me, but it's pretty exciting. It does fit. Now, if you look at the top, of course, the silhouette of the top matches the Adventure Unfolds silhouette that we see. So we'll find out on Tuesday if this is what it is, but it looks pretty spot on. If you like the content from today's video, hit the like button and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post updates on a daily basis, and also my blog where I do many reviews, updates, and every time we do one of these videos, it gets posted out there as well. Thanks a lot and happy flying!